No matter how complex a process, flowcharts can make it easy to navigate by visualizing essential steps. Now let's imagine we're on an HR team working on a scalable process for all of our offices. The very important topic: acquiring an office pet. I vote for a bunny. In this video, we'll document the process in Miro using a flowchart. Along the way, we'll explore how to add components to our flowchart, linking them together, and make it all look good. To start, let's open up the template picker from the left-hand toolbar and add a blank flowchart. Now, what should be the first step of acquiring an office pet? Asking, are pets allowed in the office building? This is a decision point. We already have a diamond representing a decision. Let's click on it and type, are pets allowed in the office building? Great, but it looks like we have an extra rectangle here that we don't need. Select and delete. Now we just need to connect these two nodes again. We'll select the first one and click on this blue dot, and like magic, they're together again. Now we have two options branching from our decision node, yes and no. Our next step is to gather people's preferences. We'll select this activity rectangle and replace the text with survey coworkers for their preferences. Oh, and allergy information. We don't need this results node, so let's delete it. Let's add a new node in its place by clicking this rectangle and then this blue dot. Now in this step, we'll identify the top choice for the office pet from our survey. Then let's add another shape for the next step. We'll press S to open the Shapes panel and select a rectangle. Then type, is the selected pet suitable for an office setting? Actually, this should be another decision. We can turn the newly added shape into a decision diamond. Let's select it and first click on this shape icon, then on the diamond. Let's also match its color with the other decision node by clicking on it and changing the color from this menu. Okay, we'll speed up time to complete the rest of the flowchart. Whew, almost done. Now for some fine-tuning. First of all, it looks like this set of shapes isn't aligned. To fix it, let's click and drag to select all elements in this area. Then we'll click on Filter to select only shapes, and go to Align to make sure they're arranged properly. What else? Right, this connector arrow seems to be in the wrong direction. Let's select the arrow and click on this icon to reverse its direction. Finally, these two arrows are missing some text. First, we'll double-click on this one and type yes. Same for this one. Double-click, then no. And that's it! Our beautiful flowchart is ready. Time to publish the process on Confluence and let the pet choosing begin.